Hi, Commanders Morning. My name is Carol Mafachane. I am a deployee of Umkhonto we Sizwe Party in Parliament. I am also a leader here on the ground today. We are here at Ward 24 today. It's the special voting day for the local government elections, by-election that is happening here. We are happy to be here. We are here with the volunteers of Umkhonto we Sizwe Party. We have our councillor candidate who's Tsepiso, and that's who we are voting for today. The reason why we are here is to make sure we are here to guard the votes of MK and to make sure that our voters of MK, when they come here, they find a party representing here. The reason why we are guarding the votes of MK is because of what happened last year, where MK won elections with 2/3 majority. But because of corrupt IEC officials, we found ourselves with our votes stolen. So this is not gonna happen again. We've been here since early morning. We have our party agents inside who are very vigilant and guarding over MK's party. So I want to now encourage the community members, Abo Mama, Abo Baba, the ones who are going to work, the ones who are in school, my university, young people, to come out and vote today, tomorrow. Vote for Umkhonto we Sizwe Party. Umkhonto we Sizwe Party is a party that's going to restore the dignity of Black South African. The reason why we are participating in the local government elections is that there is a huge service delivery lack in this ward and across our municipalities. So MK needs to be in those municipalities to hold the officials accountable. As you can see, the roads are in a bad state. We've been here last night until around 8 p.m. The street lights have not worked in years, and water is a problem. So when we were here last night, we made sure we called the city officials to say why abantu bethu abamnyama bangaphili njengabelungu ema-suburbs where the street lights are operational, where ama pothole, makuba ne pothole, it's immediately fixed. So that's what we want. We want service delivery. We want service delivery in this VD. We don't want to see this sewer running down the streets. Sifuna i-dignity womuntu omnyama ibe restored. Amandla.
Sanibonani nonke, ngiyanibingelela. Igama lami nguMavi ngwakashwabede, ngiyi-ward coordinator yalana 24. Njengoba silana namhlanje usuku lwama-special votes, kuzovota ogogo, sibavakashela nasezindlini. Njengoba sivota-ke namhlanje sizovotela ukhetho ama-by-election after ikhansela lethu ebeliphethe 24. Njengamanje siyethembisa ukuthi ikhansela lethu esilivotela sizovotela uTsepiso Molife. Njengoba silana sithembisa into eziningi ezinhle, sinethembisi kahle sizokwenza. Uma ungaziphi isikhathi uvotele uTsepiso, uvotele i-Ward 24, uvotele i-MK, kuningi kakhulu okuzokwenzeka esizokushintsha after 30 years iqembu beliphethe lehlulekile ukwenzela abantu into ezinhle. Sikhuluma ngekhansela lethu elingeke lize libe nobugebengu, ikhansela lethu lizophila ngomholo walo, ikhansela lethu lizodeliver nje kuphela umsebenzi ebantwini. Kusukela kusasa ningaphuma nonkeke ngobuningi, siyanicela niphume nonke ngobuningi, nizovotela iqembu le-MK, nizovotela uTsepiso Molife. Ngenxa yezinto esifuna ukuyishintsha emphakathini, siqalile eMthwaledi senze into eziningi, sivula imigwaqo eMthwaledi, konke lokho sesikwenzile, siyiqembu le-MK. Asisho ukuthi sithini, kodwa sicela ukuthi kusasa abantu ebebebhalisele ukuvota kube nenkinga ukuthi abanye bajikisiwe namhlanje kodwa kusasa nakanjani ababuya abantu bezovota bebejikiswe namhlanje sasa usuku lwawo wonke umuntu ngiyanicela nonke wa24 ukuthi nizovotela iMK noma ningathengwa ngama-fruit nangama-veg nangama-500 rand noma ningathengelwa iy'ngubo kodwa maniqeda nikuthathe bese niyafika la evotini nivotela iqembu elikhulu le-MK ngaphandle kwenu asilutho sizoyithatha lento ayinabungozi uyiphosela i-MK izobe isithatha umsebenzi uphosela kuwena.
Viva Commander Viva, Viva MK Viva, uGugu lo wakwashaba ngokhulumayo khona la eWard 24. Ngivotela iMK namhlanje ngoba sifuna ushintsho empilweni zethu. uZuma simbona eza nokuhle empilweni zethu, sibona ushintsho luza. Ingakho namhlanje sithi votela iMK ukuze impilo yakho izoshintsha neyomndeni wakho nezingane zakho. Viva MK Viva, Tata Tepiso Tata.
Good morning, my name is Brian Molefe. We are here today in Ward 24 Gauteng, campaigning for the by-election, local government by-election for Ward 24. The biggest issue in this ward, and it is also the biggest issue in the whole of South Africa, is the problem of unemployment. As you can see that today it is Tuesday afternoon, and there are so many people in the street because there is unemployment. The current government does not have a plan to deal with the problem of unemployment. Unemployment is the single biggest problem that is facing our people today. But here in Ward 24, the absence of service delivery is palpable. There is water running in the street, sewage water, refuse has not been collected, and there are problems of water in the community. So we are here to ask people to vote the Umkhonto weSizwe Party so that there can be a change, so that we can deal with these issues, especially the issue of unemployment, where a lot of youth is unemployed, women are unemployed. Thank you very much.